how to create Gmail account without phone number. So if you want to create Gmail account without phone number, then what you need to do is first open up your browser, go with the upper right, and then go with sign out. Once you sign out of your account, now you just need to simply go with the continue option. And here you just need to simply go with sign in, which is on the upper right. And you need to go with use another account. And here you need to go with create account, and then you need to choose if it is for your personal use or for your child or for your work or your business. So I'll be choosing personal use, and then enter your first and last name and go with next. And you need to enter your month, day, and year. So I'll be simply entering the month, day, and the year, and go with gender. Under the gender, you need to enter your gender and go with next. And you need to choose your Gmail address, or you can simply use your existing email. So I'll be choosing this one and then go with next and enter your password and again confirm your password. So create your password here. Once you've created, go with next, which is on the bottom right, and you can enter your recovery email address. So I'll be just entering the recovery email address and then go with next and again go with next. Scroll down, go with I agree, and that's it. Your account has been created. So you don't need your phone number to create your account. So that's how you can create your Gmail account without the phone number. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.